Hello everyone, so today in this video I will tell you how you can fix this error establishing a database connection in your WordPress website. So this is my website which is facing this error, and in this tutorial I will tell you how to fix it. So this is in some of the hostings you can see this type of error. So basically these both errors are same and we need one solution for both of this type of errors. Okay, so first we need to go to our cPanel. Okay, so yes, here I started. So you need to have access of your cPanel to fix this error. Okay, so here in this video we are using Namecheap hosting. So but this is pretty much same in all type of hostings, and if you are using any another host, so you can comment to me below and I will tell you some more steps to fix this. So you need to go to file manager and then on public HTML, and here you need to go to the domain hr-web.xyz. okay, so here you can see a file wp config.php. so this is the main file. So here you can see this db name, db user, db means database, and db password, and db host. Db host is basically local host if you are hosting your database on the same server, and if you are using your hosting your database on a different server, then you need to put the IP of that different server in this place of localhost. So here these three things are important. So first let me go to MySQL databases. So here you need to copy the exact database name which is linked with this website's database and paste it with here in the db name column, and after that you can you have to copy the db username. So make sure that this db user is linked with this database. So this database and this database user should be linked, and you can link these in that database page. Here you can create a new MySQL data user from here and set the password, and here you can use the database to link. So like here you can select the database and user and then add. Okay, and if you don't know the password or don't remember, then you can change password from this button. Okay, so this is my database. Okay, so now only db password is remaining. So I know my database password. It is basically user password, so I know this, and if you don't know then you can just reset it. And now we click on save changes, and let me just refresh the website. Yes, it's running fine now. So you can see adding these three things correctly will fix this database error connection, like db name, database user, and database password. So if you want to learn how you can transfer your website from one server to another server, then just check my another video. I will put link in description, so that will give you more clarity. So don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.